School and CIBEX Academy. These platforms will enable people to gain knowledge from anywhere in the world. We believe that education is the key to success and are ready to share our expertise completely free of charge for our partners. This month, on February 19th, our second CIBEX conference in Asia will take place in Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. This is an important milestone for the company. It will be a major event where we will share our achievements and introduce new products. In July and August, we will hold the third CIBEX conference. It will be a pivotal moment to review the first half of the year and present plans for the second half. Between July and September, we will begin preparations for our Nasdaq listing. This milestone will strengthen investor confidence and elevate our company to a new level. In October-December, we will begin preparations to launch our CIBEX exchange. This exchange will set a new standard in financial management. Finally, in November and December, we will conclude the year with the fourth CIBEX conference. This will be a moment to reflect on the year's achievements and discuss our plans for 2026. Our future is rooted in integrating cutting-edge technologies. DeFi, the metaverse, artificial intelligence, these areas will form the foundation of SBXC's global success. We envision a world where SBXC becomes a universal payment solution. Together, we are building the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, onward to new heights. Albert Einstein once said, "Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving." We have made plans all the way to 2040. But first, let's focus on achieving success in 2025. Life has shown that 2024 was amazing. Shall we make 2025 even better? Yes.
Ayan, yan po yung mga aabangan natin ngayong 2025. Okay. Okay. So medyo marami-rami po yung aabangan natin. Yung ngayon sa 16, malapit na, next week. Next week. Next week. Sunday, yung event po sa Vietnam. Then March, yung Mastercard, yung visa na pwede magamit according sa roadmap. Then yung listing sa Nasdaq, yung mga abangan po natin. Okay. Mas maganda po siguro kung naka-open camera kayo para magkita-kita tayo. Okay. Ayan. Pasukin niyo pa po yung iba. Yung pa mga invites. Yan. Thank you po, Ma'am Winnie. Yan. Thank you po for opening the camera. Saan po kayo? Saan po kayo, ma'am? Okay. Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita. Hintayin po natin na iba. Medyo maaga pa naman. Ano muna tayo? Thank you po. Okay, nandito na pala sila. Hindi pa lang na-accept. Ano po, medyo nagkaroon ng time. Ngayon lang nagkaroon ng time magpagupit. Ayan, let's welcome our upline and mentor, Ma'am Janet. We can,
Hello
yeah,
po, hello.
multi-speaker. Multi-speaker po yung tulad yung nabanggit natin kanina. Pwede po yan na spotlight for everyone. Ayan. Tapos, yan, si Sir Joey. Joey Palomo. Ayan. Naka-open yung kanyang
Madilim po. Madilim po sa amin eh.
Yun, saan po ba kayo? Ba't madilim pa?
Nasa bukid po.
Nasa bukid. Madilim na. O madilim pa.
Madilim. Madilim pa.
Ate Janet, nasa work ka ba? Or...
Nasa higaan.
Okay.
Alas
If you
4
will-
ng madaling araw.
Oh. Pwede niyong buksan yung kung sakaling kung okay lang. Yung nabanggit mo kanina regarding dun sa actually that one is recorded. Normally ginagamit yung ganong pwede rin yun sa Zoom. Then merong ginagamit na nakalimutan ko yung gamit na tools. May isang tools na ginagamit, pwede mong pangalanan yung dalawa, then you can discuss. Yung baga conversation live conversation. Parang ganito yan. I-spotlight natin, add to spotlight. Yan, parang katulad nito yan, si Ma'am Winnie yan, kasi naka-open yung camera. So ganito po, mapansin ninyo, spotlight parehas. Then we can put some as some AI companion or something. Yun, sa notes yata yan eh. Okay, yan. Thank you, Coach Jestony, for opening your camera. And si Coach Sam, thank you for opening the camera. So yan po. Pwedeng ganito, yung simultaneous, we can discuss, maybe Ma'am Winnie can ask or maybe I can ask. Matagal na po ba kayo sa CBEX, Ma'am Winnie? Kailan po kayo nag-start? Yun. Parehas po pala tayo kasi nag-start din ako November eh. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Be vigilant lang po sa mga sasalihan. Kaya check natin yung kumbaga sabi nga, do your assignment, due diligence, check everything na pwede mong i-check. Yun, thank you. Yan. Sir Jeff. Okay. Ayan, si Coach Sam. Sabi niya, focus on si Bex para hindi ma-scam. Welcome po to my cousin Joey. Ayan, rest taker certified. Okay. Coach Joey, rest taker certified din po pala dito. So, I'm very sure.
Medyo lang po, medyo
Okay.
lang.
Okay. Karamihan dito, siguro wala. I'm very sure karamihan dito, kumbaga marami na ring napagdaanan. Na-scam na rin ng ilang ulit, bumangon, nadapa ulit, bumangon. So, tuloy lang ang buhay. Sabi nga, may isa akong natutunan. Ito po, isa sa mga businessman na nakausap ko. Just imagine, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, hindi siya yung na-scam na pero may traditional businesses siya. In some sort, kung isa classify parang na-scam or something like nalugi. Imagine nalugi siya ng around 380 million. Okay? So, sa ganong 380 million po ang kumbaga nalugi sa kanya. So, just imagine, ganun kalaki yung nawala. Pero ang sabi ng kanyang mentor, be thankful. Okay. Be thankful. Kasi kung hindi ka nalugi ng ganon, di mo ibig sabihin wala kang ganong amount. And I'm very sure, 100% at least you are alive. And since nagawa niyo pong magkaroon ng ganong amount, 100% sure you can double up that amount. So, parang nagising siya. So, napakaganda ng kumbaga siya sa mga kaya maganda yung may nakakausap ka talaga ng mga successful businessman. Imagine, hindi pa naman ako nalugi ng ganong kalaki or na-scam ng ganong kalaki. Pero, kumbaga learn a lesson. At least, yung iba kasi mawalan lang, sabihin natin, mawalan siya ng kahit magkano. They already parang wala nang bukas. Okay? So, sa atin, hanggat buhay tayo, may pag-asa tayo. May mga opportunity na pwede nating i-take advantage na pwedeng makatulong sa atin na bumangon ulit. Ayan. Ayun, saglit lang po. May naghihintay ng Zoom. Na-send ko na to eh. Send ko ulit. Ayan. So maganda po dito kay si Bex, kung mapapansin ninyo, the company started, if you really check the website. So kumbaga if you know something, if you check the history, kailan nagsimula yung pinakang ginawa o nag-register yung website niya way back 2023. And ngayon, ka-update lang, recently yun, nakaraan lang, in-update siya until 2029. So we are expecting na the operation will continue till 2029, and ang naman po ang website niyan, renewable. Kumbaga you can renew that every year, or if you really have big fund, you can maybe pay 5 years or more para makita nila na siya, consistent, or kumbaga tuloy-tuloy. So isa yan sa mga pwede nating tingnan. And dito, ang kagandahan na nakita din natin is, yun, nakikita natin yung CEO. Isa yan sa mga indicators. Okay? By the way, sino po yung first timer? Pa-type 1 nga po. Pa-type 1 po yung first timer. Lahat po ba member na?
Sa?
Yeah, just kay Coach Joey. Ayan, Sir Joel Martinez. Hintayin pa natin yung iba. May humihingi na link. Ayan. Yan, si Sir Rolando, first timer. Okay.
Ito lang yung topic na mo ni Bernard Pobre kay
Okay. Yan, may tatlo tayong first timer. Sino pa po? Mayroon pa po bang bago?
Patay na issue na yun. Nasa
Oo, bago na.
dumating sa reklamo. Pinicturean nila yung
Sagit lang po, ano? Hintayin lang natin yung iba, few minutes. And while waiting, ayan. Ayan, ito pala si Sir Joey, pinsan ni Coach Sam. Si Coach Joel po, sino po nag-invite sa inyo? Joel Martinez? Yes, okay lang po. Yon, thank you very much. Okay. Si si Sir Rolando. Sir Rolando, saan po kayo nanonood sa ngayon? Saan po? Ayan, Ma'am Ana Pagunsan. Okay. Pasukin lang natin tong nagtatanong pa ng link. Morning. Team ni Sir Kerwin ng Bacolod. Okay. Si Huawei Y6, pare name po. Ano po yung name nyo? Kung pwede po natin kayo ma-recognize. Huawei Y6P. Good news po para sa lahat ng bago, ano, yung ngayon lang, yung kare-register lang, yung wala pang deposit. Okay? Mamaya po abangan niyo po yung giveaway. And mas maganda kung someone is scrolling. Shout out, first timer from Quezon City. Ayan. Sino pa po? Nadagdagan po ba yung ating first timer? Meron pa bang iba? Any first timer po, pa-type 1? Ayan, yung first timer po natin, kung meron pang dadagdagan aside from kay Sir Joey, Sir Joel, Rolando, sino pa po yung first timer? Ayan, si Sir Freddy. Thank you po, Sir Freddy, for joining.
In-inform ko pa yung mga invites ko. Coach,
Okay.
invite ko pa.
Okay, thank you po, thank you. Ayan, si Sir Erwin. Thank you po.
Invite ko yan, si Erwin. Okay na natin yan.
Okay. Pa-unmute natin to Huawei Y6 para rename po. Hello sir, sir ma'am. Na ina-unmute ko po kayo just to know. Si Huawei. Huawei po ang pangalan niya. Pangalan po ng device. So, we'll start po exactly around 8:30. Kasi yung iba papunta pa lang, baka na traffic. Yung isa nalaglag, ayun. Parang yata ng connection. Yan, meron na tayong 20. Ano po, bali yung link po natin na gagamitin, bali naka-fix na po yung link natin. Wednesday and Saturday, yan na po yung link na gagamitin natin. So pwede nyo na pong i-save. Then, kung may mga invite po kayo, i-share nyo na po yan sa kanila beforehand. Para at least, mas maganda kung mas marami na tayo, makapagsimula tayo na mas maaga. And, ayan. So, i-save nyo na po yan. And nakalagay naman po yan sa ating Telegram GC at saka sa ating Facebook na group. May mga nag-request po. Para mas mabilis po maaprubahan, pwede nyo po ako or kung sino man sa mga admin ang i-message to approve kung sino po yung invite nyo na nais yung i-add doon sa GC natin para updated po sila. Iniiwasan po kasi natin na may mga pasaway. Yung iba po kasi dyan, pumapasok sa GC, yung iba nangi-scam, yung iba naman nagpo-promote ng other platform. So we make sure po, marami naman pong group na pwede kang mag-promote ng other opportunity. Nandyan yung mga buy and sell group and everything, mga business group. Okay? So pwede po kayo mag-promote doon. You are free to promote. Pero pag halimbawa, yung isang group naka-exclusive po yan. Halimbawa, katulad po dito, si Vex na group. So exclusive po yan sa si Vex. So let's kumbaga respect the GC itself. Pero kung yan naman ay general, what I mean to say, they are promoting all types of businesses, you can promote po doon. Okay? Yun yung pwede nyo pong gawin. Okay, 5 minutes. Welcome po, Ma'am Sinaida. Happy to see you here. Si Ma'am Sinaida, nadaanan natin yan sana sa Bicol. Ayan, from Bicol. Way back doon sa kalipas na opportunity. Ayan, si Sir Jeff, first time din. Okay, I think meron na tayong 6. 6 na first timer. Wow, wala. Yung iba nalalaglag eh. Mahina siguro yung connection nila. Yan, thank you Ma'am Marcel for joining. Ma'am Marcel from Hong Kong. Marty. Welcome po. Si Ma'am Rima. Thank you for joining po, Ma'am. Annalyn, joining pa lang siya. Okay, 3 minutes. Simulan na natin. Record na lang natin just in case para dun sa kung sakaling may mga nais pang humabol. Ayan, welcome po Ma'am Annalyn Caban. Saan po kayo nanonood sa ngayon? Saan po yung inyong location? Welcome po. Ayan, good evening po Ma'am Rima. Rima, sorry, how do I pronounce? Paano po babasahin? Ayan. From Cebu, si Ma'am Annalyn. Ano ba yung ano dun sa Cebu? Nakalimutan ko, dumaan ako. Okay. Kung may mga nais pa po kayong imbitahan, i-share nyo po yung link natin. Chicharon marami dito sa... Okay. Maraming chicharon sa Cebu. Sabi ni Ma'am Annalyn. Okay. Ayan, 2 minutes. Ayan, may mga pumapasok pa. Ayan, si Jabe. Jabe, I'm new. Ano po ito? Ayan, this is an opportunity po na pwede kang kumita daily. Yan, mamaya po sisimulan po natin.
Hindi ako inumin. Ito yan.
Ay, sorry.
Ano pa rin lang po.
Sino yun? Ayan, welcome po, Jabe. Ma'am or sir po ba ito? Pasensya na po, hindi ko ma-recognize. Welcome po kayo. Stay tuned lang po kayo. Maya-maya po, in 1 minute, magsisimula po tayo. Para saan po ba itong opportunity na ito na ibabahagi natin? Kabangkalan. Negros. Okay. Sa grupo ni Coach Kerwin po ba yun? Yan, Kerwin ng Bacolod. Ayan. May foreigner yata tayong attend. Okay, I think we can start. Joining pa lang siya. Okay po, magandang gabi sa lahat. Okay lang po ba sa inyo ang record? Please thumbs up or just for the privacy. Yan, okay lang. Okay, thank you Coach Sam. Sino pa po? Okay sa inyo? Okay lang i-record? Okay. Okay, maraming salamat. Invite ni Ate Winnie. Okay. Okay, maraming salamat po sa pag-confirm. So this is actually in a corporate or actually any kahit saan pong recordings mas maganda itanong natin kasi just for the privacy po baka ayaw nila makita sa Zoom na naka-record. Okay? So thank you very much. Let me start the recording.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Good evening sa lahat. I think we have a foreigner from, yeah. Sir Chokwi Meka, do you understand Tagalog or English? Let me know.
Yeah, it's English
It's English. Okay. From where are you, sir?
from Nigeria.
Oh, okay. So welcome to Zoom. I think so.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Somebody invited me. Janet.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
You're welcome.
So I think for lahat naman, I think almost all of us understand English ano po from the Philippines. So para kay sa ating guest, so we can discuss English na lang po ano, majority in English so that he can understand. Okay? So by the way, let me introduce myself. By the way, my name is Vic. Vicente Bonto in general in my name, and actually I'm engineer by profession, so I'm in telecommunication, but I was in online business, so I prefer the online business because you can do it anywhere, wherever you are at home, or even if you are in vacation, you can do the online business. Because before I was I was promoting some supplements and those things with these physical products. And the good thing with the technology, especially in the crypto world, you can do it anywhere with the online system. That's why my goal. That's why I'm promoting this one. I would like to help those individual who are really busy with maybe they are busy with their work, or maybe they are busy at home, or busy with their business. Okay, most of them, uh, even though they have tight schedule, but they still want to earn more, and at the same time, because they might be earning less. Okay, so that's my reason why I'm promoting online. I'm promoting this kind of opportunity because most of us, maybe we have some challenges also financially. And the goal is, remember the goal, financial freedom, time freedom. Okay, that's why we are doing this one. Because there is no sense of accumulating a lot of money just for working and not enjoying life. Do you agree? Everyone agree? Anyone? You have a
Yes, I
lot of
agree.
money, but maybe you don't have time for your family, or maybe you don't have time to even enjoy the earnings that you have. Okay, most of the people are like that. So let us start. Let me share the screen. Yeah, thank you very much for Ma'am Winnie, Justoni, Sir Erwin. Okay, so this opportunity will help us. So let me start to share the screen for the proper presentation of the opportunity that we have. Okay. Is it clear? Can you see my screen? Maybe you can thumbs up or comment if you can see my screen clearly. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sir Jabe. Okay. So the company is TBEX, Modern Trading for Smart Investors. Before we proceed with the proper presentation, let me introduce to you the CEO itself. So the CEO is William Hollian. He's based in Ireland, and his credentials are this: trader, foreign exchange trader, and accounting manager regarding investment, and yes, especially in the investment part. That's why we are here. So the good thing with this one, if you are in LinkedIn, you can add Sir William. You can talk to him and send a message. That's a good thing. And you can also see him. Sometimes we invite him in Zoom and also for conferences. Okay, so here are some of the credentials. And the good thing, CBEX also have this certificate of insurance with regards with our investment. And it also featured in finance, in Finance Yahoo and also in Binance. So you can check this in Binance and also in Yahoo Finance. So this is the office in Ireland. So the people here, they are hired to do the trading for us. Okay. And this is the first Asian conference event in Korea. So there are the leaders who attended the event. You can watch this video in the company's YouTube, because this is I think it's almost 3 hours video. So we will not replay this video, so it will eat a lot of time. And let us just get something like some sort of summary or the key points that the CEO discussed during the event. This is the first one.
I'm excited to unveil our most ambitious plan. Getting listed on NASDAQ in 2025.
Okay, so if you can see, let me just okay. Kindly mute if you're not na po, pasuyo na lang. So this is one of the feature that the company will be listed in NASDAQ this year, 2025. And aside from that,
Today, I'm delighted to share news that promises to change and possibly transform the entire world of finance. Let me introduce you to CBEX Coin, SBXC.
okay. So we also have this SBXC, CBEX Coin for as a currency. So it will be used later for financial like different crypto also. Okay, and if you can see, this is the previous screenshot from BSA Scan. The BSA Scan will give you information regarding the total supply, regarding how many holders, and those the transactions. So it was transferred to different holders when you buy. And right now the price, you can see in your dashboard the price of this coin. Okay. So before it was 2,600, but right now it's already more than 3,000 plus holders of this coin. So these are also offices in different countries like in Korea, in Vietnam, and other countries. Okay, so let's also there are other countries that are coming with their offices. So let us go to the compensation or what the company do for us. So the company is doing the traditional trading in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So they are doing the trading for us. And the goal, like what we discussed, transforming future through smart trades, your path to financial empowerment. And the mission, of course, to empower lives, to help individual with this investment. And these are actually this is the roadmap, and most of them already been done, like the event and also the launching of the coin, and also the offices in different countries. Then later on, maybe after this presentation, we will play again that the things that we will expect this 2025. Excuse me. So safety standard for the highest level. Mean to say, compliance with international standard and laws, and also with legal protection for all partners and investors. That's for us. And there is also security. Like as mentioned, our company leaves no room for risk that could jeopardize the capital of our partners. This is the one that regards to insurance. And the concept and business model, so they are doing the trading and we are getting profit from that. So investment portfolio are this one. So the opportunity, actually you just invest, you wait, and even if you don't invite, you still earn. Okay. So the products I like are this one. For the USDT, we have spot, margin, altcoin, future, and crypto. And also we have BTC, ETH, and Litecoin or ETC. So with this USDT, this is being traded Monday to Friday for us to generate an income. And the only difference from this one, the USDT, your profit, you can take it out every day as long as it is more than $10. And for BTC, the difference with the USDT in the crypto, with USDT, there is a, like you, as you can see, there is some terms like 15 days, 25 days, 36 days. So in USDT, you will get your capital after the end of the term. While in the crypto, BTC, ETH, LTC, you can get the profit and capital after the term. While in USDT, the profit you can already get every day as long as it is more than $10. So here is the investment plan. You can start as low as $50. Then it will generate 0.5 to 1.2 daily percentage. That is for 15 days. Total of around 10.5 to 18% in that 15 days. So just take note that this is Monday to Friday, like what we mentioned. Weekends are not included, and you can withdraw Monday to Friday also during office hours in Ireland. Okay, just take note of that. And the end of investment term, the capital will be returned to you. And we also have this higher daily percentage, what we call venture investment package. And the main, you can start with $100, but with this one, the good thing with the venture, it operates 7 days a week, but you can only claim the profit and also the capital after the term, after 180 days or 240 days or 365 days. So that's the venture investment. Okay, so we have this venture, three categories. So yes, including weekend with the venture. Then here are some example of venture investment. Once you invest, it will give you this one, so you can see how many days already getting profit, and also it will give you the when it will expire, so that you can check, or maybe you can put in your alarm, like, okay, on this day I will get the profit and my capital. Then, for example, if you start with 100 USDT, $100, you can start with venture plan. 100, it will give you 432 profit plus $100. So it will give you around 532. Then if you invest that again or invest for another 180 days, it will generate 2,298. Okay, so then once you already have 2,298, you can invest that one in USDT margin, so that it will give you daily profit that you can also withdraw daily. Then for example, if you put that one on margin 25 days, you will have 632 monthly income. Okay. We can cater later on po yung mga questions. For the next one, if you have, let us say, you start with 500. So for the 500, again, we start with the venture plan. So 180 days, 2,160 at the end of 180 days. Then your 500, it will become total of 2,660. You can, again, put that one into venture plan, then it will generate of 11,491. Then after that, you can put on the USDT margin. Then it will give you 126 days. And by the way, these are some sort of recommendation, but the decision is yours. You can start with margin, you can start with spot, or you can follow this plan. So this is some sort of plan that you can follow if you want. For example, if you want to generate $126 daily income and you only have $500. And let us say for 1,000, you will do the very same thing, venture, and USDT altcoin. So it will give you around $321 every day. Okay. So that's the total of 11,583 monthly income. So that is if you follow this system or this plan. Then now this is the plan Z that we can start 5,000. So with the 5,000, you can start with margin. Then it will give you 1,375. Then you can invest that one in venture. Then also after the venture, you can invest again for USDT altcoin and another USDT altcoin so that it will give you daily income and also USDT future. So these are daily income. Then if you take that one, let us say at the step 8, the 47,000, you invest that one in venture, it will give you around $1.8 million. So that's the massive accumulation of profit and income with the 5,000 investment. Okay, so just imagine you start with this one, and after a year, you can generate around 1.8. Okay, you already have $1 million. Then if you still reinvest that one, you still have $821,327. So just imagine the income from this investment. Okay, so that's the this plan doesn't need you to invite, doesn't need you to sell. So that's why this is very for those people who are really busy with their work or whatever they are doing. Maybe they are doing some passion or whatever that they do, that they don't have that luxury of time, so they can use this one. But now let us say you don't have that much of capital, you can take advantage of this referral program. And once again, this comes with invitation, and this one is optional. Okay, so this is not mandatory. But the good thing with this one, this affiliate program, this unique affiliate program, it will give you 4% to 36% income referral bonus once you do this referral program or you promote. What you can do, the promotion, is either you talk to the people that you know, or you just do the posting in the social media to give to attract those people who want to earn an income. Okay, so let's take a look. What's the advantage? For example, if you are the person A and you only have $50 with you, so the $50 for 15 days, it will give you $5.25. Now, if you are the person A and you take advantage of the affiliate program, let us say you talk to 100 people, and also they also have $50. So total of 5,000. Now, since you have this referral bonus as a consultant, you will be earning 4%. 4% of 5,000, it will be 200. Okay, $200. So just imagine the difference. If you don't promote, or maybe you just if you don't promote, you will only earn $5. But if you promote, like for example, you able to share it to 100 people, so you will have an extra 200. This 200, if you like, you can reinvest, or it's up to you. You can take it out. So here are some of the referral commission, and same thing, once it is more than $10, so you can withdraw. So unique affiliate program. And the good thing with this one, we have this, you will also earn, once you already promoted, then you will have passive income, okay? Passive income. For example, let us take a look this one, yeah. For example, your name is Michael and you already promoted to executive manager. You have 21%, okay, with that rank. Then let us say there is a person, Dave, just recently joined. So what he is do, he will also earn once he refer 4%. Okay. So now when Dave able to find people to invest, so they will get 4% referral commission, but you will get additional of 21% minus 4%. So that will be passive income for you. So that's a very good opportunity if we will do the affiliate program. And like what I said, this is optional. This is not mandatory. We have many partners here who are silent investors. They don't really promote, so they have that big capital or some sort of capital, but they don't promote. So they just enjoy their daily income. But you can also take advantage of this affiliate program. So it's very simple. Just register, talk to the person who invited you, and register to that link. Deposit a minimum of $50 so that you will have the link, and you can promote. You can use that link to register, invite friends, and let them register also if they also want to earn income. Okay, so that's the very simple concept on how to do this affiliate program. Then live trading platform, we can show you on the dashboard. Then we have this, like we mentioned, CBEC is registered in Ireland and operate in accordance with international law. And as you can see, it's 985 million authorized capital of the company. But right now, if you check, later we'll check the dashboard, it's already 6 billion, the capital of the company that they used to trade so that we can have an income. Then that's it, CBEX, symbol of freedom and endless prospect. So that's it. That's the very simple presentation or opportunity that we have, that we can earn an income even we are very busy with our daily activities. Okay. Let me show you the dashboard so that you can see. Let me open my dashboard just to check some information so that I can show you that. By the way, meron po tayo mga tutorial sa ating GC. Okay? Okay, may mga tutorial po tayo sa GC natin I think nawala na yung guest natin. Thank you very much. So let me share the screen again para yan. Okay? So ito po yung ating dashboard. Once na nag-register po kayo, log out pala muna tayo. Pakita ko lang sa inyo saglit kung paano mag-register. So pag-register, hingin nyo lang po yung link na binigay na kausap nyo. Then, ito po. Pipilapan nyo lang po itong information na to, username, email, password. Then, yung pangalan po nung sponsor nyo, dito po yan lalabas. Then, create account. So, ganun lang siya. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Kumbaga, napakabilis lang. Then, ang gagawin nyo po, unang-una, refill balance. Okay? Sa refill balance po, lalabas dito yung pwede kayong pumili. It's either USDT, Bitcoin, Litecoin. Pero normally gamit natin is USDT. Sa USDT mayroong tatlo, ERC20, ERC20, BIP20. And normally gamit natin BIP20 kasi mas mababa yung charge or yung gas. Okay, pag nakapag-refill balance na po kayo, saglit lang naman to dumating, huwag kakalimutan na mag-create ng deposit. Okay? Pag-create po ng deposit, ito po yan, lalabas dito kung spot siya o margin siya o altcoin. Depende po sa amount na meron kayong na-deposit. Okay? So once na okay na po yan, nilalagay nyo lang dito kung magkano kasi lalabas po dito kung magkano yung inyong deposit. Then, ilalagay nyo dito kung magkano yung deposit nyo. Tapos, lalabas dito, create deposit. Pagkatapos po niyan, ganito na po yung lalabas. Yung USD, yung may ganitong, ayan, may reference number po yan. Tapos, lalabas na dito yan, 0/15. Okay? So, makikita nyo rin kung kailan siya mag-expire. Kaya kung gusto nyo, halimbawa, sobrang busy kayo talaga, edi mag-alarm po kayo. Para at least, alam nyo, sa ganitong araw, nag-expired na yung aking deposit. Pwede ko na siyang i-renew or pwede ko na siyang i-withdraw. Nasa sa inyo po yon. Okay? So, ganun lang. Very simple. Hindi mo kailangan ng technical masyado. Then, sa pag-withdraw naman, ang gagawin nyo, napakadali lang po mag-withdraw. Bago kayo mag-withdraw, punta lang kayo ng settings. Ayan. Then, punta po kayo dito sa wallet. Ayan. Dito po sa USDT. Then, normally, katulad na nabanggit ko, BIP20 rin po yung gamit ko. Pero nasa sa inyo po yan. Kung TRC, pwede rin. O kaya ERC, pwede rin naman. Nasa sa inyo po yun, kung yun yung gagamitin nyo. And yung financial PIN, nasa email nyo po yun. Ayan, pwede po itong BNB, pwedeng Tron. Nasa sa inyo kung ano yung gusto nyo withdraw. Kung ano po yung meron dito. Okay? Kasi kung halimbawa po, sabihin na natin gusto mong mag-ipon ng Litecoin or Bitcoin, pero USDT yung meron ka. Ang gagawin nyo lang, ito isa sa mga tips na pwede nyo gawin para dun sa mga nag-accumulate, meron tayo ditong currency exchanger. Currency exchange. Ayan. So, tether siya. Diba, gusto mo mag-ipon ng Bitcoin, mag-accumulate ka. O, di ilagay nyo dito kung ilan yan. O kaya gusto mo Litecoin. Ayan, Litecoin naman. Para doon sa pag nag-withdraw ka, di pwede mong i-withdraw siya, Litecoin siya, Bitcoin siya, or Ethereum siya. Okay? Lalo na kung mga naniniwala ka sa crypto na ang crypto po ay tataas. Kasi I'm very sure, tataas po ito, lalo na suportado na ito ng presidente ng US. Okay, so ganun po yung pag-withdraw at ng pag-exchange. Then, let's go to sa withdrawal. Click nyo lang po itong withdrawal, then lalabas na dito yung balance nyo. Diba, Bitcoin. Hindi lalabas po dito yung Bitcoin. Ayan, papansinin nyo po, ilalagay nyo yung address. Since wala akong Bitcoin na address, walang lumabas. Okay? And that's it. So, napakasimple lang. Deposit, withdraw. Yun lang po. Basta marunong ka mag-deposit, marunong ka mag-withdraw, ayan, kayang-kaya nyo pong gawin si Bex. Pag hindi po kayo marunong, tuturuan po namin kayo. Just send us a message para ma-guide po kayo. Then, ito, trading platform for investors. Para makita nyo po yung mga information na mga sinabi ko kanina, ito po yung mga tinitrade ng company. Ayan. Then, company statistics, para makita nyo, ito po. 6.3 billion. Ayan, 6.3 billion na po yung company, yung pondo ng company na pinapaikot, tinitrade para lahat tayo may kita. Okay? Tapos ito po yung mga trading pairs. Hindi lang isa. Ito po yung mga stable coins. Hindi naman lahat ng crypto. Kasi sa crypto, kung papansinin mo, ang crypto ngayon, ilang milyon na yata. Pakita ko lang sa inyo para may idea ng konti. Tingnan natin kung ilan ang crypto sa ngayon. Ito. Mayroon pong 10.99 million. Okay? So, ganun karami yung cryptocurrencies. Pero yung tinitrade lang po ng company, yung mga stable coin or yung mga tinatawag na stable coins nga. Yung mga may mga value na talaga. Ayan. Pag may mga nakita kayong pula, huwag kayong mag-alala. Normal po yan. Pag pula, ibig sabihin natalo. Okay lang po yan. Normal po ang natatalo sa pagtitrade. Kahit sinong pinakamagaling na trader na natatalo. Ang pinakamahalaga po niyan, yung panalo. Ito. Ayan, mga green. Pag marami yung pula kaysa sa green, kabahan ka na. Pero so far, makikita nyo naman na palaki ng palaki yung kita ng company. And makikita mo kung imamanual mo po ito katulad nito, natalo siya ng 700 pero meron siyang 300, 200, 200, 100, 400. Okay? Pag sinum up niyo po yan, malaki pa rin yung panalo. Okay po? So, para ito, magbibigay sa atin ito ng confidence na ito yung information about the company. Okay? So, I think dyan lang yung ating pagdating sa dashboard. Then, ilan na tayo dito? Ayan, 34. Thank you very much sa lahat ng 34. Ayan, share ko na lang dito. Para po sa bago, yung i-expect nyo na mangyayari ngayong 2025, panoorin po natin saglit. Ayan, replay lang natin. Yari, ba tayo?
Now start at just $2.49 a month.
Wait lang po, may commercial. Ayan. Naririnig po ba? Pa-double check po kung naririnig. Pa-type 1 po or yan. Pa-type 1 na lang po kung naririnig nyo yung kanina. Or hindi. Ayun, salamat Sir Erwin. Ayan. Okay, sige, play po natin. Ano lang po ito? 4 minutes. Mabilis lang. Para at least may idea kayo. Since papasok kayo dito, lalo na yung mga bago, ano ba yung mangyayari na abangan natin ngayong 2025 sa CIVEX? Okay? So we have this idea. So ito yung aasahan natin na mangyayari. Abangan po natin. Let's play.
Sometimes, clarity comes when the noise fades. A few hours ago, I shared our plans for 2025 with our top employees and partners. Now it's time to speak directly to you. Listen closely, because together we are making history. In January 2025, we witnessed a significant rise in the value of SBXC. This is just the beginning of our great journey. We started last year and became possible thanks to your support. Today, we see the fruits of our labor. The coin has reached a price of $7 in just 1 month. This success reaffirms the correctness of our chosen path and strengthens our belief in the future. In March, we'll take an important step, integrating support for Visa and MasterCard. This will allow our partners to invest and withdraw funds directly with minimal fees. We are actively negotiating with central banks and regulators in various countries. Our goal is to ensure stability and reliability in all operations. This summer, we are launching CIBEX Trading School and CIBEX Academy. These platforms will enable people to gain knowledge from anywhere in the world. We believe that education is the key to success and are ready to share our expertise completely free of charge for our partners. This month, on February 19th, our second CIBEX conference in Asia will take place in Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. This is an important milestone for the company. It will be a major event where we will share our achievements and introduce new products. In July and August, we will hold the third CIBEX conference. It will be a pivotal moment to review the first half of the year and present plans for the second half. Between July and September, we will begin preparations for our Nasdaq listing. This milestone will strengthen investor confidence and elevate our company to a new level. In October-December, we will begin preparations to launch our CIBEX exchange. This exchange will set a new standard in financial management. Finally, in November and December, we will conclude the year with the fourth CIBEX conference. This will be a moment to reflect on the year's achievements and discuss our plans for 2026. Our future is rooted in integrating cutting-edge technologies. DeFi, the metaverse, artificial intelligence, these areas will form the foundation of SBXC's global success. We envision a world where SBXC becomes a universal payment solution. Together, we are building the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, onward to new heights. Albert Einstein once said, "Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving." We have made plans all the way to 2040. But first, let's focus on achieving success in 2025. Life has shown that 2024 was amazing. Shall we make 2025 even better? Yes.
Ayan.
If you're a business
Yan po yung mga abangan natin sa 2025, this 2025. Okay? So, excited na ba ang lahat? Before, yan, pwede na po tayong, we can go to question and answer. But before that, if you can open your camera para po makapag picture tayo, picture. Ayan. Sa lahat po ng pwede, open po kayo ng camera, mag-picture po tayo. Ayan. For documentation. Yan, thank you. Sir Marty, thank you very much. Yan, sino pa? Sino pa nais? Sama natin sa picture. Okay. Thank you very much sa lahat ng nag-join and nag-open ng camera lalo na. Okay? Okay na? Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, i-post po natin to sa GC natin. Then, pwede na po kayo mag-tanong. Kung may mga katanungan kayo, may question or yes, if you have question, you can raise your hand po para may unmute kayo. And may isa-send po ako na form for attendance. May attendance po tayo. And katulad ng nabanggit natin sa post natin na mayroon pong isa na magkakaroon ng kumbaga initial investment para dun sa mga wala pa. Okay, para dun sa mga wala pa, magkakaroon ng initial investment po kung sakaling kayo po yung mapili. Okay? Sige po. Bago yan, siguro kung pwede mag-share, we can ask, I think my question. Let me unmute. Shokwe Meka. Yes, brother, you can ask. You can unmute. You can send a question. Okay.
Okay. Can I go on?
Yes, please. Yes, you can go.
Actually, I'm very happy to be here. My question is that if you are in one investment plan and maybe want to upgrade to another plan, is it possible? Maybe you are into one particular investment plan and maybe have enough money want to migrate to another plan. Is it possible you can do that?
Yes, it's very possible. Yes. Actually, you can, for example, you make an create deposit today for one plan, then even after a few minutes, you have an extra money, you put another one, so that will be another plan. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Coach Sam, I think pasuyo ako siguro sa mga tanong muna. Ayusin ko lang yung attendance. I would like to send the link for the attendance. Okay, just give me a minute.
Okay, Coach. Sige po.
Thank you,
Alright,
thank you,
guys,
thank you.
habang inaayos po ni Coach Vic, palakpakan pala natin, no? Ang napaka-precise, very simple, very, very clear, no? Napakalinaw po ng kanyang presentation. So, ito po ay regular na po natin ginagawa, yung presentations po natin every Wednesday and Saturday. So, all you need to do is just to invite people. Alam niyo po dito, guys, confident po tayo dito na we can invite newbies, yung first timers in the industry, because we are very, very much confident in the company. Ako po personally, I started joining this company since last year, March. And one thing na big lessons for me is that stable nga kasi siya eh. You don't need to do anything at all, but you are actually earning a certain profit every day. So you'll just wait for like 15 days for the USDT spot or 25 days for the margin. So even though you're not working or you're not doing anything at all, but you are getting your profit share, no, from the trading of the company. So ang nangyari sa akin noon, there's this company during last year, and they're very, very hype, no? They're promising of even bigger returns, like 5 or 4%, like that. So, and I withdrew all the money from CBEX, and then I joined that company. But of course, I didn't know that that was a company, you know, that. So I transferred all my funds, and just like after a month, that company was closed down, no, that company. So it lasts for like only around, I think, 6 months, no. So one great lesson that I've learned from that experience is that don't be deceived by the companies who are actually offering too good to be true returns, no, like 4%, 5%, 10% daily. And so that's not reasonable at all, no. And it's very obvious that they have a hidden agenda, that they just want to scam your money. All right, but whereas in CBEX, as you can see, there's live trading of the company, and there's this transparency of the company, no. So you can see the growth of the company since the month of launching of the company since last year, January 2024. So yes, it's lower compared to those companies that are actually offering higher returns, but the fact of the matter is that in CBEX, no, you can be so confident with your investment, okay? Because again, this is legit. No, there's these real people who are actually doing the trading, no? They are all the master traders. They're all experts in the cryptocurrency industry. And actually, when I watched uh, the Asian conference in Korea last year, there's this group of people, group of crypto experts from Japan. Okay, they invested not just $100,000 but $100 million in the company. How come, no? Why did they invest such big amount in the company? Of course, they know. Alam nila no? So because they're experts in the industry, they know and they believe in CBEX because they've been in the industry for like 10 years plus. So they believe in the system, the stability, the program, the system of CBEX. That's why they even invested hundreds of millions of dollars in the company. And they said that, well, you can actually watch that in our YouTube channel. Okay. So that's already available in the YouTube channel of the company. You can just explore it, guys. So and if you still have questions, sige po, let's discuss your questions. Medyo nag-English tayo, no, kasi meron tayong international anong bang ang kailangan na dapat na meron ako i-provide? Okay. Because this is cryptocurrency, no? So we will teach you paano magkaroon ng Binance Wallet, Trust Wallet, mga ganyan, MetaMask Wallet. So different crypto wallets. So yun yung transaction. And para sa mga beginners, no, if you don't have yet any crypto wallet, okay, that's bonus for us, no. We can teach you how to create your own crypto wallet, so you can also learn how to have your like Binance Wallet, Trust Wallet, and other crypto wallet that you can have, no. So that's additional learning that we can teach you. Okay. Coach Sam, I joined a bit all late. I'm not sure if the 180-day lock-in was discussed. My question is, can we make an additional deposit to the account during the lock-in period, or is it strictly prohibited? Okay, every deposit kasi it has its own contract, no? So you will have the created date and the expiry date. So let's say you already have created the venture base, no? $100 is the minimum for the 180 days. The fixed rate of 2.4% daily. So meaning, let's say after a week or after a month, you wanted to add on. So all you need to do is just to create a new deposit. So create a new deposit for venture base. So you will have another set of deposit, no? So because you cannot you cannot edit or how do you call it? You cannot change the contract. So that's already done, you know. So what you need to do is you can create another contract, I mean another deposit. All right. And the company allows us to create multiple deposit. Let's say you have the shorter terms like for 15 days, you also have for 25 days, and you also have for like 180 days, no? You have your short term or you have your long term simultaneously. That's also possible. Okay, docs. Did I answer it right? Yeah. Thank you for the information. Thank you. Yes, sir. Chukwomeka. You still raising your hand?
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm very, very happy to be here because it's somebody that introduced me to this platform and introduced me to this business. And I'm very happy so far because I registered on December. So, and I don't know much about it before. But for the fact that I see the way the thing is going, I'm surprised because I've not seen this kind of thing before. So I want to learn more. But what captivated my mind in what you said about training, because I have that passion to learn new skills. So I heard when you say about training, I will be following you people on your following you up to learn more new skills, to learn more, and be able to invest more because it's something that I have seen that is real. And as far as I'm concerned, I think I want to, know more about it and, bring my friends to it. Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations, sir. Who's actually your upline, sir? Who invited you here?
The person that invited me is Janet.
Oh, Coach Janet. No, shout out.
Yeah, it's Janet that invited me here.
She's also our upline. She's very very no very very supportive, and she's so active, no? Even though she's working full time in the US as nurse, but still she's really very very aggressive in our business. And you are so blessed, sir, no, because you can pioneer this company or business in your place, no? So imagine the possibilities when you start this business in your place, no? So are you in Nigeria, sir, or which part of Africa?
Yeah, no, I mean in Nigeria.
Oh,
And
Nigeria.
this kind of business is not here, so I'm so excited to be part of it. And it's a new thing that is
Yeah,
something to write home about. Yeah.
that's great. We are excited for you, sir, no, to bring this opportunity to your country, because
Yeah.
we also know that there's a lot of Nigerian people that needs to be prosperous and financially free, just like in the Philippines, no. So we needed this kind of opportunity the most. All right.
Yes. Yes.
So let's work together, no. You can attend our regular Zoom meetings, and if you wanted to have support, no, if you want, so we can help you, no, in ways that we can.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Coach Sam. Maraming salamat. So, I'll give bali siguro 2 minutes for the attendance. Just fill up the form. Kasi yung bali yung mga bago na wala pang deposit po. So, we'll make a raffle doon sa mga umattend ngayon. Yung nandito po, yung umattend ngayon para matulungan natin sila. Kasi baka mamaya, yung iba, marami kasi naka-register na, tapos matagal na naka-register, hindi pa sila activated. Kumbaga, they don't have yet deposit. Maybe they don't have yet that extra cash. So, once you already have deposit in your account, you can start the affiliate also. Okay? So 2 minutes. So ayan, 1 minutes. 9:25. I'll collect the data from the form. Okay. Any more? Ayan, my question si Sir Randy. Can we use same wallet address with other account for withdrawal if wala silang crypto wallet? Thank you. Yan. And hasagot yan ni Coach Sam. Ano yung natin yan, Coach? Ayan, may sagot si Coach Marty. Pwede yan. Actually, yes, pwede po. Ayan.
Yes,
Siguro
po,
mas maganda pakisuyuan natin. Maybe Coach Marty can share something.
ayan.
Okay lang po ba, Coach?
Pwede, pasok. Si Pastor. Come on, Pastor.
Okay, magandang gabi sa atin. Good evening from our friend from Nigeria. Okay. Sabi nung tinatanong dito, pwedeng magamit yan sa ibang account ang wallet address. Pwede yan. At sa Civex, matagal-taga, last November pa ako dito, at saka maganda-ganda ang takbo ng ating kahit maliit pa, at least meron tayong na-withdraw konti. Salamat kay Madam Janet na supportive na apply natin. Actually, natutuwa nga ako dahil nung last meeting namin with the CEO about the coin, talagang tumaas na nga talaga ngayon. November yun 1.67 pa yon. Ngayon, almost 8 na ang coin natin. So, progressive talaga yung mga pronouncement ng ating CEO. Talagang mangyayari yan. Yun lang po. Thank you. Sebex.
Yun, thank you, Pastor. From Mindanao, no, si Pastor. So, ano na tayo, no? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao na tayo.
Meron din ako mga bisita dyan. Ngayon.
Shoutout po
First
natin.
time. Shoutout na yan. Sila, si Rai, si Jam, at saka si Erwin.
Ayan, hello po. Sige guys, if you still have questions, no, please just type your questions sa chat para
Okay.
maano natin.
Yan, thank you Coach Marty. So ngayon, bali kinuha ko na po yung attendance for the sake. Meron tayong ilan ba to? Meron tayong 11 na bago na wala pang deposit. I think wala namang duplicate. Ayan. Elvira, Erwin, Annalyn, Hernan, Artipo, Josue, Loretta, Ray de la Cruz, Arturo, Arpio, Jam, Porol, and Johnny Bernal. Okay. So, mabilisan lang po to. So, i-share lang natin yung aking screen para makita nyo po kayo po yung isa sa mga mapipili na mabigyan ng pangsimula. Ayan. Ayan, sana yung ating screen. Ayan, ito po yung names. Kinuha ko po yan dito sa form. Yung mga wala pong deposit. So, mayroon tayong 11. Ayan. Kopyahin lang natin yan. Tapos, ilagay natin dito. Ayan po. Yan po yung mga pangalan. Nakikita niyo po yung screen ko?
Isama daw si Joey.
Nagloloko yung net. Joey Palomo. Okay. Okay po. Joey. Dito mo natin. Anong name po? Wala po yan.
Yeah, there's Jeff in the thing.
Wala po sa attendance. Ito sa attendance. Baka hindi pa nag-fill up. Yes,
Can you
yung
please-
wala pong basta yung wala pa pong deposit. Ayan. Wala pa siyang deposit na nandito ngayon, kasama po. At saka lahat po na nandito sa Zoom, mag-attendance po kayo para sa attendance. Then, pipill up. Ayan. Naka-filter naman po ito. Ito yung lahat ng attendance.
It seems like not everyone had signed up.
Opo, bali ito pa lang.
Because
Yan
somebody
pa
is
lang nag-fill up
asking.
16.
Hmm.
Coach Freddy. Yes, kasali po kayo. Fill up po kayo sa form. Yes, bali i-share niyo po yung screen niyo. I will call you regarding that share screen. Then you share your address. By the way, yung mapapanalunan po ay galing kay Ma'am Janet. Thank you very much, Ma'am,
Yeah,
for
I'm here.
the sponsor.
Yes po.
Okay, meron pa mga habol? May habol pa? Okay, well.
And who has the most invite?
Yan. The most invite ngayong araw, okay, ito, ayan. Menchi Tugonan, Sami, wala pang deposit. Ay, Olive, meron na. Okay. Okay, I think ito lang po. Bakit 13? May duplicate yata siya. Okay, let me data. Okay, ayan. Okay, ito po yung ito po yung mga nandito na wala pa. Tapos yung tinatanong ni Ma'am si Joey Palumocos kasama po. Wala siyang, di siya nag-fill up, no? Isulat ko na lang. Ano po yung isa? Jeff?
What's the last name po?
Jeff Del Rosario po. Okay. Okay, so it's 14. Ruth.
Si Ruth.
Hindi niya pa alam mag-fill up. Freddy.
I think marami yung hindi marunong mag-fill up or na-leave out. Na-leave out siguro nila.
Okay. So, si Ruth sa Kapano. So, wala pa rin po ba, ma'am? Ma'am Ruth, wala rin pong deposit. Tama ba? Pa-confirm po. Wala pa po. Okay. I have 3 total guests na wala pang recharge po. Okay. Ma'am Janet, bali yung invite ba, yun yung lahat with deposit or wala or
Yeah. Kung
okay.
sino yung masipag kahit ikaw ay may na kung ikaw ang pinakamaraming invite, that's your blessing for bringing more people in.
Okay,
Reward.
Will dito. Ayan. Para makita nyo po kung sino yung ito po yung mga nag-invite, ito yung mga pangalan. Coach Sam, 3 sa'yo. Ito kay
Yes, coach, yung wala pang recharge.
yung mga hindi lahat siya, lahat.
Lahat
lahat to.
mga nasa 5 yata sila.
Lahat. Bali lahat
Naka-charge na.
Lahat ng nandito sa form nga lang.
Apo.
Kasi ang data ko dito lang eh. Mas maganda sana kung makapag-fill up. Bali pag fill up po, ang gagawin nyo lang, pakita ko lang po ito pong form, ayan, pakita ko lang po. I-click nyo lang po ito. Ayan, so gagawin nyo po, ilalagay nyo lang yung pangalan nyo. Tulad yan. Tapos kung sino yung sponsor nyo, yun lang po. Tapos kung may deposit na kayo, wala. Yes or no. Tapos submit lang. So ganun lang kasimple. I think madali lang siya gawin. Hindi siya complicated. Very simple. Pangalan, sponsor mo. Kung may deposit o wala, then submit. Pag sinubmit nyo po ito, yan, submitted na siya. Papansinin niyo po dito. Ayan, pumasok na dito. Ayan, nandito na sa dulo. Pangalan ko. So, ganun lang po kadali yung pag-fill up. Just click the link. Ayan. Sa susunod po, ganun na ang gawin natin. Siguro ituturo na rin natin. Ayan. Tapos, kasi yung data na makukuha ko, dito ako magbe-base sa mga nag-fill up. Kasi hindi ako makakapag-base dun sa mga wala pong nakapag-fill up. Medyo challenging naman kung tatanungin ko isa-isa. Okay? So, yan. I-raffle na natin to para dun sa mga wala pa. Dito po yan papasok. Ayan. Ready na ba? Ready na? Pa-comment po or pa-type kung ready na ang lahat. I-click ko lang po itong spin para kung sino yung mabibigyan ng pangsimula. Ayan, ready na. Ayan, thank you. Si mga Jam. Ayan, Elvira, Erwin, Hernan, Artipio, Ruth. Ayan, okay. Try. Okay, ready. Okay? So, yan na po. I-click na po natin tong spin. Tapos yan na po ang bahala. Ayan. Let's wait kung sino yung mapalad na. Ayan po, si Hernan Giro. Ayan. Screenshot natin. Sama natin siya dun sa attendance. So, ang gagawin niyo po, doon sa inyong dashboard, katulad ng pinakita natin kanina, pupuntahan nyo lang po yung inyong itong refill balance. Tapos, punta kayo dito sa BIP20. Tether po at saka BIP20. Tapos ito yung screenshot nyo po yan. Okay? Screenshot nyo po ito para dito po ipapadala yung yung pang-deposit nyo. Tapos, make sure na mag-create po kayo ng deposit para tumakbo po yung deposit nyo. Okay? Then, yung isa pa, yung pinakamarami, ito, bilangin natin. Paiba yung pangalan ko. Saglit nga lang. Okay, so dito gagawin lang natin to ng ganito lang po siya ginagawa ko. Tapos, tatanggalin natin yung duplicate. Clean up, remove duplicates. Ayan. Ba't ganun? Ito magkakaano kasi. Parehasin na lang natin to. So, isa rin to. Sa akin din pala to. So, ito. Ito kay Coach Sam. Gawin na lang natin isa. Ana Canlas. Okay. Remove duplicates again. Ayan.
Tatlo yan sa akin.
Ay, kaso may duplicate nga pala, no? Mali. Iba-iba nga pala yung pangalan dito. Pare-parehas one.
Coach Vic, tatlo yung akin. Si Erwin, si Rai, at saka si Jam.
Okay, I think banggitin na lang natin sa akin ilan. Sa akin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 yun nandito sa attendance. Yung sa akin 6. 6 Si Ma'am, si Marty. Ilan po sa Marty? Si Marty po ba yan?
Opo, opo.
Tatlo po
Tatlo
sa
yung
inyo?
akin. Tatlo lang akin.
Okay. Si Coach Sam, tatlo rin. Tama ba, Coach?
Yung walang recharge ko, coach, tatlo. Pero yung may recharge na, ilan sila? Lima lahat kasama yung may recharge na.
Puro
Okay.
wala pang recharge yung akin. Bago pa lang talaga.
Please delete Neil. Sino po invite ni Just Tony? Sino po nag-invite sa inyo? Oh, yan. Ito po, Ma'am Janet.
Okay po. Sige po.
So, that's it po. Yan po yung ano natin.
For what?
And
So are you guys charging now? Should I send now? Give me the where to send. I forgot. Yeah.
Si Coach Sir Hernan, may ano na po ba kayo? Mayroon na kayong address doon sa sa dashboard? Can you send that now? O naka-record pa pala to. May stop na.
Recording stopped.
Napahaba yung nakalimutan ko. So ngayon po, mayroon tayo ditong 30. Mas maganda kung at least every presentation at least makapagdala tayo ng isa o dalawa. Kasi pag nakapagdala po tayo ng isa o dalawa, more likely, referral po natin yon. So, para lumaki din po yung grupo natin. And yung grupo nyo po lalo na. Kasi pag nagdala kayo, invite nyo lang sila dito. Ang kagandahan, hindi po kayo yung magpapaliwanag. Nandito tayo. Ako, nandito. Si Coach Sam. Nandito rin. And hopefully, may iba pang mag-present. So, hindi po kayo ang magpe-present. Kami po magpe-present para sa inyo. Then, once na nagustuhan, nag-register under yung link, kayo po yung may referral, hindi po kami. Okay? So, yun po yung natin. Kumbaga, tulungan system na pagdating po doon. Kaya we encourage, hopefully, yan, 29, 30 kanina. Yung lahat ng nandito, kung bawat isa magdadala sa atin sa next na presentation sa Zoom, Wednesday, ay di mayroon tayong 60. Sabihin na natin 60. Then the following, kung mayroon namang 60, yung 60 na yun, kahit tig-iisa na lang, 1. Kung hindi mo 1, isa lang. Kung dalawa, maganda. 3, di mas maganda. Pero kahit isa lang, isama nyo rito sa Zoom para matuto, para malaman yung opportunity na mayroon tayo. So imagine, every presentation po, kung magdo-double tayo, di malaking tulong po yan. And ang mahaganda po niyan, once na na-reach yung target ng team natin, may magbibigay po ng incentive. Ayan. Ayaw niyo ba yung incentive?
Kaya nga eh. Sa Smart, kailangan magdala ka ng 10 para magkaroon ng 10.
$10 yun.
$10
dito,
if you bring in 10. Can you imagine? It's $1 per person. This time, it's 50. We should be lucky to have that much.
Malaking bagay kung bawat isa magdadala po ng tigi-isa. Kahit ano na lang, tigi-isa. At the end of pwede tayong maging 500. In span of 1 month. Magdadala ka lang. Okay? Magdala ka ng isa, makausap mo, tanungin mo, actually very simple. Mapapansin niyo yung mga post ko, I don't mention company. Kumbaga, ang post something na, siya, ang tawag nito, yung makakabasa niyan, magtatanong sa'yo ng paano yan. And yung tanong na yon, sasagutin niya sa sarili niya, baka pwede ako dyan. Pag yun po yung pag-isipan natin na tanong, pag pinost natin yun, kahit saan natin i-post, may magtatanong at magtatanong. Simple concept. Pwede kang kumita ng, ayan, katulad yan. Pwede kang kumita ng hindi nag-i-invite. Very effective po yan. I-send mo sa mga GC. Yung iba magsasabi sa'yo, scam yan. Okay lang yun. Or kung ano man. So, mahalaga doon, kung hindi ka man nakapag-invite, nakapag-post ka, visibility po. Malaking tulong. Post ka lang. Ang pinakamapapansinin nyo po, statistics, mas marami ang tumitingin sa My Day kaysa doon sa post mo. So, may mga, ang tawag doon, marites ba yung tawag? Or may mga nanonood sa'yo. So, i-post mo siya doon. Titingnan mo kung saan sila nanonood ng mga, information, yung mga post mo. Eh, doon mo siya i-post. So, yan po yung ilan sa mga tips na pwede makatulong kung halimbawa ayaw nyo mag-imbita ng kakilala. Pwede po yun. Normally, ito po yung honest na sa lahat ng inimbita ko, ang naniniwala po talaga yung hindi nyo kakilala. Yung kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, hindi maniniwala yan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero yun po yung katotohanan na we have to accept. Mayroon din naman naniniwala. Ilan? Siguro bilang sa kamay po yun. Okay? So that's it for now. Maraming salamat. And let's hope na madoble tayo next Wednesday. Same link po yan, same link. Kaya i-save nyo na siya sa Wednesday po ulit. Okay? So maraming salamat. Good night and have a nice evening. Yes po, you can leave now. Ma'am Janet, send ko na lang po yung...
Yes. Si Erwin, paki-contact na lang si Vic at saka pala si Vic pala nanalo.
Si Ernan yung bali ipasend ko sa kanya o kaya kung masisend niya na yung kanyang address. Papa-screenshot po kasi hindi po ito isasend sa wallet. Sa account po ito isasend. Hindi po sa wallet, baka mamaya isend niyo yung Trust Wallet. Hindi po sa Trust Wallet. Sa sa account mismo. O, balik. Okay, maraming salamat. Let's end. I-end ko na po yung ating Zoom. Maraming salamat po.
God bless everyone.
Good night po.